Christmas Day, 2021. An Ariane 5 rocket lifted off from French Guiana, carrying a folded gold telescope. Its mission was to see the first light that the universe ever made. NASA named it for James E. Webb, the man who ran the agency through Mercury, Gemini, and the start of Apollo. He believed spaceflight only mattered if it led to knowledge, and this telescope carries that idea forward. It was built by NASA, Europe, and Canada, cost tens of billions of dollars, and it took 2 decades. It doesn't orbit Earth. It sits about 930,000 miles, 1.5 million kilometers, away at a point called L2. That's where the pull of Earth and the sun stay in balance. The mirror is 21 feet across, made of 18 gold-coated beryllium panels. A sun shield the size of a tennis court keeps the instruments near minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 223 degrees Celsius. To fit the rocket, Webb folded up and opened itself in space. 344 steps with no second chances, and every single one of those processes worked. In July 2022, NASA released its first image, the Webb Deep Field. A dot of a sky smaller than a grain of sand held at an arm's length. And inside that dot were thousands of galaxies whose light began its trip 13.5 billion years ago. That picture changed astronomy. It showed that stars and galaxies form earlier than we ever thought, and that the same chemistry that built us was already in place. Webb has since found water and carbon dioxide around distant planets and watched new stars ignite inside the Carina Nebula. It's a true reminder that patient work, it pays off, and that truth waits for the right tools to see it. 1 million miles from home, the James Webb Space Telescope keeps collecting the oldest light that we can reach. And each image brings us so much closer to where it all began. These are Interesting Things with JC.